Want to talk about the Java design pattern. So there were total three main group of the design pattern: creational, structural, and behavior. So creational is all about like how you're going to create any object in Java, and the structural was something about like how the one class is going to connect or uh, operate with different class object. So it was the combination of the class and object, how they are going to be structured. It will also contain the various methods. And the behavioral is all about like how any object is going to behave within the class or like in between the classes. So that is the main three design pattern in Java. So first we are going to talk about the creation. You can say as on the definition also it was saying the same thing, like how you're going to create any object. So there will be different pattern based on the flexibility and the all those things. There will be subgroup. Subgroup is nothing but like the way how you are going to create the creation. The first is the singleton, and second is factory method, and third one is abstract factory. Fourth is builder, and fifth is prototype. So we are going to talk about each one in different videos, upcoming videos. And second is the structural. So as per the definition, it will saying the same thing, like class and object composition. So now we are going to see the structural one also. Like it is having the adapter, bridge, composite, and the decorator, facade, flywheel, proxy. So it is going to define all about like how any class is going to use the different class object as an utility, or like how they are going to structure in different way to achieve any goal. So that is the definition of the structural one. Now let's say if you're going to talk about the behavioral one, so the definition is itself saying like communication between object, and they define how object interact and distribute responsibility. So it is all about the same thing. Like for there, let's say there will be multiple objects, how they are going to communicate between each other. So that is the all different design pattern for the behavioral. Now, if you see the different ways, there was observer design pattern and strategy, command, response, chain of responsibility, mediator, state, template method, iterator, and visitor. So there are different ways like how any object is going to be communicate with each other. So these are the main Java design pattern. Currently, we are going to talk about the Java design pattern. Then we are going to talk about different design pattern in the microservices and on the resilience applications. So yeah, that's all from this video. We will connect in different video.